Due to their effective construction and simplicity of use, Tesla electric motors have become increasingly popular. This company's electric motor models have reliability indicators and a service life that's an order of magnitude greater than the petrol counterparts, and they compete favorably with other automobiles powered by conventional forms of engines. So let's examine the key features of the Tesla electric motor in more detail and try to determine what makes them so special, according to Elon Musk, Tesla's executive director. Welcome to Just Tech. The main objective of production is to have the power generators run continuously. Engineers believe that such engines will last virtually forever and never wear out. The company's experts have been working on improving batteries, inverters, and Tesla electric motors for many years, and they're now prepared to offer customers another enhanced type of engine. Any Tesla car aficionado would see that the company name was not chosen at random. Nissan Motor Co., Nikola Tesla, the engine's creator who lived in the 19th century in 1883, is the inspiration for the name of Tesla Motors. Tesla created a three-phase multi-phase asynchronous motor in which all three phases were attributed to a collection of electric currents supplied to the stator by the machine's battery. As a result of this energy, conductive wire coils behaved like electromagnets, causing an electric motor to operate. The technology of Tesla is being changed. A growing number of upgraded and high-performance vehicles are now outperforming petrol engines as the production of electric vehicles increases. With the aim of preparing future generations to live without the usage of fossil fuels, Tesla engineers are among the industry's most cutting-edge inventors. They use a technique known as an asynchronous electric motor to accomplish this. The stator and the rotor are two crucial components that make up the three-phase, four-pole Tesla synchronous electric motor. The stator contains the core conductor and frame. The core is made of numerous steel rings that are spaced apart yet have the ability to be bonded together. The surface of the rings has specific perforations, and a wire is wound through them to create a stator coil. When everything is assembled, it wraps around slots inside the core. A revolving magnetic field that attracts conductive rods from the exterior of the rotor is produced when electrical energy is transferred from the industry battery to the motor. The rotor generates mechanical energy whilst it's rotating, which is used to drive car gears that turn tires. It's assumed that the motor in an electric vehicle charges the battery because an electric vehicle does not have an alternator. It works simultaneously as an engine and a generator. This is the first instance that shows how distinctive an electric vehicle really is. As was already said, a battery releases energy in the direction of the gear to start the engine. When the driver presses the accelerator, the process starts and the rotor moves in accordance with the magnetic field's rotation. When the foot is removed from the accelerator, the rotator accelerates faster than the stator's rotating magnetic field, which recharges the battery, although this is only theory and not what actually occurs. New and improved S and X series engine models have recently been released, according to Tesla spokespeople. These Tesla rear-wheel drive engine variations can be only fitted to contemporary vehicles of the most recent generation. The rear-wheel drive engine's attributes were subsequently improved by Tesla engineers, while the model numbers changed. The new Tesla electric motor in the Model S Plaid automobile, which has already started to be marketed and has received some brief advertising, as well as an even more insane engine for the upcoming Tesla Roadster supercar, were recently described by Elon Musk on his Twitter page. The new Tesla Roadster and the new Model S will both use the same 3-engine gearbox, as Musk previously mentioned. The installation might work better because of its smaller form factor, but as Musk indicated in his tweet, it seemed that Tesla won't stop there and will continue to improve the gearbox technology for other products in the future. With the exceptions of laboratory specimens we have kept secret, the Plaid engine with a carbon shell is likely the most advanced engine ever created. We have some suggestions for improving the Roadster's maximum RPM and torque even more. Undoubtedly, we are in for a fun and exciting development. Elon Musk did not mislead us because the first customers have long since started to receive their Teslas in the Plaid configuration and have started holding races that highlight the dynamic performance of yet another battery-powered masterpiece from Elon Musk's company. It takes roughly 2 seconds to complete a quarter-mile segment in 9.24 seconds, and at the same time, its maximum speed should be more than 300 cc. Before we move on, for more interesting content like this, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, Just Tech. Hit that bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. In just 9.248 seconds, the Tesla Plaid covered a quarter mile down a specially bonded track. It took 2.21 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and it costs 10 million rubles. There's no need to spend more and get anything customized from anyone at any place. Of all, a Nissan 1600 HOP will cost you only 9 million rubles and is significantly faster, but he's excited anyway. This battery-powered device is already from the factory, and Zat Unini is at stage 3. The traction electric drives, which are 2 electric motors in one monoblock mounted on one subframe and to which the suspension levers are connected, are what make everything work so smoothly. Due to the front traction electric drive being chopped, they were unable to exhibit it in cut form. This is because there aren't any rear motors, despite the fact that the rear motors are the exact same size as the front axle. Pay notice to the inverter's modest size and the fact that it consists of 2 green circuit boards with transistors within. Despite having a high top speed of 325cc, all transmissions are single speed and there are no gearboxes. These electric drives, which are truly revolutionary, reach such a high speed by increasing the rotation speed of the rotor electric motors to 20,000 RPM and decreasing the gear ratio in the gearboxes generally. The surfaces of the rotors also included a winding of carbon fiber. The employment of robotics in the work area is a crucial component of the manufacturing of Tesla electric motors. With the exception of the existence of roughly 8 robots, each of which is in charge of carrying out a certain task, you can see enormous red bots that resemble transformers and are situated next to each Model S. Because of their symmetrical and durable construction, hairpins are also smaller to wrap around the wires. With this innovation, Tesla has improved the norm for electric motors. What a wonderful time to be alive! Over traditional round wire motors, hairpin designs have a number of benefits, including accurate alignment and a cleaner appearance. Companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and General Motors have already adopted this new trend as a result. However, using hairpin technology does not come without challenges. It's extremely difficult to bend and weld copper hairpins precisely because even minor mistakes could cause electrical losses. On the other hand, Tesla's proprietary software has completely changed the game by modeling and simulating the entire motor and its rotating electric field, enabling them to quickly iterate through millions of concepts to discover the best one. And thanks to Elon Musk's widely acknowledged brilliance, the time will soon come when these machines will be accessible to regular consumers and used around the world, potentially saving our planet from an environmental catastrophe. That is all for today. If you liked our video, then please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Spend some time watching some other videos on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.